In this video, we're going to take a look at how to post final grades for a course. So here you can see I've gone in and I've finished posting my exam grades. I've already posted my term grades. So now the last thing I'm going to do is post my final grade. And just like exam grades, final grades are the old F1 or F2 if you're second semester is now considered a grading task. So I'm going to go ahead and come up to the task drop down and switch down to final grade. You're going to find that posting final grades is very similar to posting an individual 9 weeks, like a W1, W2 grade, because you're going to see your posted column, your in progress columns, but now instead to the right where we typically see assignments, we're now going to see our posted grades for all of our individual terms. So I'm a semester long course for first semester. So I see my W1 posted grade, my W2 posted grade, and because I have a graded final exam, I also see my exam grades that I've already posted. If I don't have a graded final exam, those columns will be missing. Obviously, if I'm a second semester course, I'll see W3 and W4. And if I'm a year-long course, I would see all 4 grading terms. Now the in progress columns are showing the weighted average based on our grading guidelines. So because I have a graded final, I know that that's 20% of my grade. So then each of my terms are weighted 40%. If I don't have an exam, then that's just a true weighted average. So that's already calculated and set up in my grade book for me. So just like for a 9 weeks term grade, to move grades from in progress to posted, we're going to come into the in progress grade column and select the post button. That pop-up is going to, or pop-out menu is going to come up. I'm going to confirm W2 is my grading term. I am posting my final grade. I'm going to select OK, and I'll select OK again. So now those grades have all come over to posted. You can still do manual overrides just like you would a regular grading term or grading task. Just remember, we've already discussed that percent and grade must match. So the easiest way to do that is to change the value in the percent column. So one of the items in our grading guidelines is that we cannot give a 59 as an overall average. So I see here that I do have a student with a 59. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that percent column and change that to a 60. And then that's going to change the grade column for me as well. So here you can go ahead and go in and do all of your manual overrides. If you are in a class where your exam grade had to be marked as an incomplete because your scores have not come back or won't come back until later, we are also going to come into that posted grade column and we're going to select incomplete as their overall average as well. But this time we're going to leave their percent as is so that we know what their kind of standing average is. And then once we add their exam scores in, we'll let that update and we'll repost again once that's complete. So this is just communicating that their final average is not complete at this time. Just like with a 9 weeks grade or a term grade, you can manually enter comments, or you can also use those canned comments from the district as well. So once you've gone in, you've confirmed, we're matching up, we're rounding, I've completed my manual overrides. We know, tried and true, we're going to use our save button in the top left corner, and that will finalize posting your grades. And so what you'll want to do is follow directions from your data manager for what to do once your grades are finalized.